Hi, this is Widdowson from DataCore, and I'm going to do a short video demonstrating the advantages of running DataCore SDS solution on a hybrid or flash array appliance from Vesper Technologies. In order to start, I thought we'd take a look at a kind of standard setup here in the UK. So we would have servers typically running VMware or Microsoft's Hyper-V, and then we would have some kind of storage. So that could be a SAN or indeed SANs. That could be and is likely to be another manufacturer. Most UK sites have probably got 2 or 3 separate vendors in there, which brings its own problems. And what Vesper Tech have done is taken this environment and just condensed it down into a powerful and highly performant 2U chassis that is now a HCI node. So all your compute, all your storage in a 2U node. And it's this node then that we can take and we can mirror or synchronously replicate to an environment. So if we look at it, we have the performance there in the product. We now need to look at availability, business continuity being key for most of our customers in the UK, or for all of our customers in the UK, arguably. So if we look at this could be in a separate physical location, separate office, separate building. It's worth noting we can go on asynchronous replication. So if you had a location or any space in a data center, you could place a node in there to give you that availability. So same again, in this location, we simply put another highly performant 2U node from Vesper Tech powered by DataCore, and we've kind of got this active setup now. And it's this setup that then allows us true 100% failover. So as data is written, it is written to these 2 disparate places at exactly the same time. There's no witness node, so there's no RPO. Failover is automated, 0 touch, 0 downtime. Now there's a couple of ways to deploy these. The appliance is by far and away the favorite one that Vesper Tech sell. We can also go out to a dedicated storage node. So what this would be was just the server full of storage. So it's running DataCore on there. You've left your VMware environment or your Hyper-V environment. You've not touched that. And we've just got a DataCore server there with the capacity in there to suit your needs. You could also go to what we class as our consolidation model. So we could just run a server. Maybe you need to sweat some assets from an existing environment that you have. So we have a server with DataCore on there, and then we can pop in, and under that is all the other from any vendor, any make of drive, any drive from any vendor, and that will now be seen as one big pool of storage that you can serve upwards into your VMware or Hyper-V estate. So that's the availability. We've looked at performance, we've looked at availability. Scalability is now a big thing for DataCore and Vesper Tech and our UK customers. So these nodes, these can go up to 64 nodes. In terms of capacity, well, that's just endless. We can have endless terabytes. In fact, we've got some deployments in the petabyte range. When we go back, and I'll just briefly touch on the auto tiering technology to give you the performance, it's all about efficiencies. It's all about the right data being on the right type of disk to give you the right level of performance. Now, typically in one of these nodes, we'd look at tier 0 being RAM. We would use RAM as cache because that is highly performant. We'd recommend Intel's Optane drives in there to give a really high performance in the drives. We could then have a percentage of flash and then a percentage of just capacity drives to give you that kind of bulk storage. You could even take any unused data and tier that to a cloud. You may be in a position where you need ultimate resiliency, so we can go with a 3-way sync mirror. Maybe one's in a DC and these 2 are placed in 2 geographical locations. So as you can see, the hybrid and flash HCI node from Vesper Tech allows you the performance, the availability, the scalability. You can literally tune up or tune down any type of storage device within here. Thank you for watching. My name's Lee Widdowson. For any more information, please email datacore@vespertechnologies.com.